Yesterday, Mike James from Long Beach, California made $572.84. Cindy Batista from Greensboro, North Carolina made $565.47. And Adam Wyatt from Jersey City, New Jersey made $518.22. And these are just 3 of the 20 people that took action and joined my program yesterday. They got off their ass, took action, and joined this program.
I've been using this website and the system as a beta tester for about 2 months. And so far, I've made about $30,000. Now, this isn't the type of get-rich-quick scam that you always see on the internet. I mean, it's not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but to me, $30,000 in 2 months is a life-changing amount of money. I still can't believe that a website that I use all the time was a way to make so much money. It was right under my nose the whole time. So if you want to make an extra $15,000 a month with almost no additional work, then I highly recommend you take action and join today.
This could be you if you take action in the next few minutes. You could be making up to $500 per day from just 17 minutes setup time. I'm talking up to $500 in less than 24 hours from now. Up to $500 every day in your checking account with only 17 minutes of setup time. A real 5 minutes from now. Normal people are doing this already every day with zero prior experience, special skills, or training, just by using a single powerful website. That's up to $500 in your checking account within 24 hours. That's up to $180,000 a year. Now, I know this isn't the millions of dollars that some of the fake gurus out there might be promising, saying you can make thousands a day even while you sleep. But up to $180,000 a year is still a very useful full-time income, which isn't to be sneezed at. Up to $180,000 a year still means you could quit your job. Up to $180,000 a year still means you could pay off your mortgage, credit card bills, and any outstanding debts. And up to $180,000 a year still means you could have enough money left over for some of the finer things in life, like world travel, sports cars, and designer luxury goods. So right now, you must be wondering what the hell this website is that I've been talking about. Well, I'm talking about YouTube. You may have even tried to make money from YouTube before and failed, but that's not your fault. I failed too. Everybody finds it too overwhelming and complicated unless you have the right foolproof system to follow. And that's exactly what you have the chance to get your hands on today. A foolproof system that takes care of everything for you and gives you the best chance of success. Welcome to Tube Profit Sniper, a tried and tested secret system that allows absolutely anybody to make up to $500 a day from YouTube. And the best part is, my system has nothing to do with Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, or paid advertising, or paid surveys, or SEO, or e-commerce or Shopify, or MLM or pyramid scams. My system is stupid simple. There's no complicated setup process. There's nothing to install. It's fully cloud-based. Just log in and start using it right away. It couldn't be simpler. You can be up and running and making your first few dollars within just 17 minutes from now. And then you'll be well on your way to making money like this. Up to $185,604. That's how much money I've made in the past year that I've been using my Tube Profit Sniper system. And I made all of that from YouTube. But before I discovered how to harness the power of this life-changing website, I was a normal, struggling guy just like you. Not one of my students had any prior experience in online marketing before downloading the Tube Profit Sniper system. None of them has been an affiliate of any company, and most of them don't even have a college degree. The Tube Profit Sniper system takes care of everything for you, so you don't need any special skills or previous marketing experience to make money with it. In a few short minutes from now, you'll be fully set up and ready to make up to $500 in your first 24 hours. Thanks to this incredible system, you could finally be able to live the life you've always dreamed of. Gone are those days of waking up to a crappy job you hate. Gone are the days of sitting in rush hour traffic. And gone are the days of taking abuse from your idiot boss. Take action right now. Lock in your spot to the Tube Profit Sniper Cash system. This is strictly limited to 20 people today, and today is the last day. Do it now, and I'll see you on the next page.